Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I will be showing you how to cut this hoodie that can be attached to your abaya when you are making your prayer dresses, or it can be styled alone this way. If you are making just the hoodie alone, then you are going to need just 1 yard of fabric, but since I want the inner to be plain and the outer one to be a pattern fabric, I will be using half yard each. So what you'll be doing is you are going to fold it into two and you place them on each other this way. So from the folded edge downwards, you are going to measure 28 inches, which is the length of the hoodie, and that open part is going to be for the face opening. Then you measure 15 inches inwards this way, which is for the width of your hoodie. From that 15-inch mark, you come down by 14 inches, and then you are going to cut it out this way. After cutting it out, you are going to notch the 14-inch mark that you made earlier. You are going to notch it there, which is where your sewing is going to stop. So should in case you want to join this hoodie to your abaya, the difference between this point and this point is going to be your round neck measurement. So whatever you have round your neckline is going to be what you measure there. Half of it is what you measure there, since it is on a fold. Now to the sewing aspect, I'm going to start with the pattern fabric, which is going to be the outer part of the hoodie. I'm going to sew you round, and I'll stop at that 14-inch mark that I made earlier this way. And I'll repeat the same thing on the plain fabric also. I'm going to join the head part down to the 14-inch mark that I made earlier. So after doing that, the next thing is to sew both the plain and pattern fabrics together. So you are going to place the midpoint of your face circumference, which is the place where you started sewing the heads together. You are going to place them on each other with the right sides facing each other this way. Align the face openings together, then you are going to sew it from that end to the other end. After sewing it, this is what you are going to have. The next thing you will do is you are going to close the other end of it, which is where it's meant for your neckline. But if you are joining it to your abaya, you don't need to close this end. But if you are not joining it to the abaya and you will be making the hoodie alone, then you need to close this end. You are going to align the plain and pattern fabric in such a way that the place where you ended your stitch earlier is going to be on each other with the right sides facing each other. Then you sew it down. After sewing it, you are going to turn it inside out, and this is what you have. To make it lay flat, you are going to notch this midpoint. You make several notches there. Be careful not to snip your sewing on it. Now the next thing you will do is you need to close both ends together so that it is going to be round. You are going to place the ends together in such a way that the plain fabrics will be facing each other and the pattern fabrics will be facing each other with the right sides facing each other this way. So you sew it round and you have just a little opening left, and then you turn it back inside out. This is what you have. Trim off any excesses that you might have in your sewing allowance. Then the last thing you will need to do is you are going to insert your sewing allowance in that open space, that little open space that you had left. You are going to push the sewing allowance inside, then you top stitch on it so that it will hide the seams. And that is that on how to make this hoodie. So if you were to attach it to your abaya, after closing this part, all you have to do is just attach it to your neckline. This part of the hoodie is going to be on the midpoint of the neckline of your abaya, and you are going to make this part to be on the midpoint of the front neckline of your abaya, and that is that on how to make it. So if you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section below. Have a great day. Ma salam.